Love niya talaga. Chris Aquino, full support sa The Alibay ni Kim at Paulo. Isa nga ang Queen of All Media na si Miss Chris Aquino sa nag-congratulate kina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino para sa serye nilang The Alibay kung saan paldo sa concurrent views. Ayon pa nga sa naging post ni Tetay, "This is it, pansit, ang simula na ng Alibay. Hashtag The Alibay, the beginning. Congratulations Kimi at Prinsesa Chinita and Paolo." Ganito nga ka-happy at full support si Miss Chris sa dalawa, lalong higit kay Kimi na ang turing na niya ay panganay na anak. Narito naman ang samot-saring reaksyon ng mga fanay. "Thank you, Ma'am Chris, for supporting Kimi. God bless you both. Palakas ka po, Miss Chris. Congrats. Thank you so much, Miss Chris, sa suporta sa Kim Pao." Nagparamdam na si Chris. Grabe ang pagmamahal kay Kimi. Simula pa noon na hindi pa sikat si Kim, nandyan na siya. True. Ganda. Thank you, Miss Chris. Kim Pao, congrats. Ma'am Chris, thank you. Nood ka lang sa firstborn mo. Enjoy and God bless you. Love you, Ma'am Chris. Ang alam ko, ang gusto ni Chris para kay Kimi si Paulo. May interview yan. Napanood kong sagot ni Kim. Ayaw niya sa mga may bigote at inglesero. Si Chris ang sabi niya mabait si Paulo. Ba't ayaw mo? Nangangati raw siya sa bigote. Yun ang dinig. Sana ipinakita ulit yung video. Wala pang linlang. Thank you and congratulations sa The Alibay team. Kim Pao and Kim Paulaja. God bless us all. Thanks Miss Chris for loving Kim Pao. Such a true friend to promote and post. Love mo rin ang The Alibay. Love na rin kita for that. So sweet gestures of yours. Anyway, atat na si Miss Chris Aquino na makapunta sa Italy at France. Yan ang nireveal niya nung tanungin siya ng kanyang fanay sa Instagram. Nag-invite kasi si Chris sa kanyang mga followers sa Instagram na mag-post ng question at kanyang sasagutin. As promised, sinagot ni Chris ang 10 question ng isa niyang follower. Isa sa mga tanong ay, what's something that you still haven't done that you can wait to do? Travel all over Italy and France to visit and pray in all the beautiful churches. Tugon ni Chris. Naitanong din kay Chris, once magaling na siya, gusto ba niyang gawin ang feng shui tree? Sagot ni Chris, definitely, if Direct Chito has a part 3 event. If he wants to kill Joy in the first quarter of the movie, I would love to do the third feng shui. Another question ng fanay kay Chris ay kung ano ang mga lesson na natutunan niya sa mga nakalipas na taon. Sleep heals, food is the best, complement to the medicine we take, and even brave people cry and question if it's still worth it, and maybe not giving up is what separates those who are brave and endure despite the never-ending pain. And the odds being against me, lahad ni Chris. Lastly, nilahad din ni Chris kung ano ang nami-miss niya the most about being in showbiz. My writers who would be on set, my directors of photography, my cameraman, my producers, and being able to interact with so many co-actors and actresses, interviewing almost everyone and helping so many businesses get introduced to a larger audience. And years after receiving a message thanking me for their work, pahayag ni Chris. Dagdag pa niya, many in show business entertainment get a bad rap because so many have remained my friends through the years, and while in Orange County, so many went out of their way to visit us and those visits were never posted. Yan ang namimiss ng mga fanay kay Chris. O diba, bongga talaga ang pagmamahal ni Tetay sa Kim Pao na todo nga ang support lalong higit sa seryeng The Alibay. Thank you, Miss Chris Aquino, sa pagmamahal na ibinibigay mo kina Kim at Paulo. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.